and welcome to my New York City studio. This is not a New York City studio. This is my childhood bedroom, and it's become my sewing studio. So a little background, I was studying abroad in Italy, having the best time of my life, and then you know who came along, and well, we all had to go home. And so now I'm home, and well, I don't have all the stuff that I normally would use to sew, so I'm using what I've got. But it's kind of gotten a mess because I have been working on my projects, and it's kind of time to clean. So I look like a mess, but that's fine because no one's gonna see me. But this is a mess, and I can't work. So I just thought, why not show what it's like to be sewing as a fashion design student at home in this space. Alright, so we're going to start off with this part. I use this mainly for drafting patterns, and well, now it's also become storage whenever I leave my room or come into my room. I just kind of put it on this table now. But yeah. Over here I want to show off one of my designs that I'm currently working on. Here's some pants. They're actually really cute. They're technically meant for men's because I'm taking a menswear class, and so they're a little bit big, but since I no longer have a male model because we are in quarantine, I'm gonna model them. Fabrics, oh my god, and patterns and stuff. If you go to design school, do you just have like that big bin of just muslin and fabric scraps? Because this is what this bin is. But I also have like more stuff that's not supposed to be in it. But for now, we're just gonna put all my fabric scraps in it. So let's do it. I bought more pins on Amazon, and I didn't realize that it was going to be in like a pack of 2. So now I have like a ton of pins that I'll probably end up losing because last semester I lost so many pins, and I bought a box of 500 and I lost them all. Oh, this is cool. I was digging through my basement and I found some really cool stuff, and I found these shorts that I've taken apart because I'm going to upcycle them, and I'm going to make them into shorts to fit me, which I'm excited about. TikTok gouache because I use gouache back at school. Actually, I cannot hear myself with my earbuds, but I bought the TikTok gouache because I was like, oh, cool, and I like read all the reviews, watched all the tutorials, and I thought it's like, oh, that's really neat and handy. Literally, this thing doesn't close. It won't close no matter, like, I keep it like that, but then what? I do like them, but I'm afraid that they're gonna dry out because, well, it doesn't close. And, like, I don't know, like, how this is supposed to go in and so the table over here, I don't know if you can see it, there's a table over here. I'm gonna be using this, it's supposed to be like my illustration table since it's right next to the window, and it's a good spot to, it's a good spot. A good spot to draw. Paint brushes here. Put my paint right here. Nope, still doesn't want to close. Nope, still didn't want to close. Alright. Nope, still. Alright. Okay. You know what? It doesn't want to close. It doesn't want to close. What the heck? Why? Editing me. So as you can first see, this is now a mess again because, well, I started working on another project and I never ended up getting to this portion here, just out of pure laziness. But my phone ran out of storage, and so I kind of just stopped filming there. But then, like, I still continued cleaning. But yeah, this video is also chaotic. I don't know. But yeah, if you guys like that, I don't know. My room is really small, so you just gotta make do with what you got and the space you have. So it just makes it a little bit harder to work. But yeah, if you liked it, give a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.